It was brought to my attention that there are lots of people who do not change out their toothbrush, or they never change their toothbrush head if it's an electric toothbrush. And recently at a friend's house, I noticed a toothbrush sitting on the counter of their bathroom, and the toothbrush bristle heads were like splayed out. So I figured it was time to make a video about this. So yes, it is extremely necessary to change out your toothbrush every 3 months. However, in addition, there are a few reasons why you might need to change it out even sooner than 3 months. So let's go over all these reasons. Reason number 1, when the bristles on your toothbrush get frayed and or broken, the toothbrush is no longer doing its job. Toothbrush bristles are specially designed to clean your teeth. But when they get flat like this, they no longer are properly doing the job they were designed to do. They aren't even brushing anymore, they're just flat. So if your toothbrush bristles ever get to look like this, you need a new toothbrush ASAP, pronto, like go get one right now. Don't wait the full 3 months if your toothbrush already looks like this. And just so you know, normal wear and tear on your toothbrush bristles can happen, but really it should never look this dramatic. This is often a sign you are brushing way too hard, so ease up on your grip and try and brush much more gentler. Be more gentle. Again, the soft bristles of a toothbrush, an ADA approved toothbrush, are designed to properly clean your teeth. They only remove plaque and clean your teeth when they look like they are supposed to look, not when they look like this. The second reason you should be changing your toothbrush every 3 months is because germs can hide inside your toothbrush bristles. So even if you feel like your toothbrush still looks brand new, microbes can be hiding in between the bristles and you can't properly sterilize those at home. I know sometimes people clean their toothbrushes with boiling water and different disinfectant contraptions, which is fine throughout the 3-month life of your toothbrush, but it does not replace getting a new one every 3 months. Now, another thing, I'm aware that your dental office gives you a new toothbrush every 6 months if you get your teeth cleaned every 6 months, but just consider trying to get one for yourself every 3 months. So like the halfway mark in between your 6-month cleanings. Make an event reminder on your phone or something to remind you to buy a new one. Lastly, number 3, after every time you are sick, you should technically change out your toothbrush. If you like to practice diligent hygiene, you don't ever want to take the chance that your toothbrush will lead to reinfection. So in conclusion, change your toothbrush every 3 months routinely, no matter what, after each time you're sick, and right now if your bristles look frayed like this. By the way, I'm all about evidence-based research, and research shows that no matter what type of toothbrush you use, new toothbrushes remove more plaque than one that's old and worn out. So keep up with your toothbrushes to ensure they are working properly to keep your teeth clean and healthy. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe if it did. Until next #TeethTalk Tuesday, peace, love, and teeth. Thank you.